Versatile receptacle expands options for trolling motor mounting locations. Matching 2-prong 12, 24 or 36 volt receptacle. Installs in bow panel. Durable construction. Includes hinged, spring-loaded cover that protects receptacle when not in use. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement. Purchased this as mine was going out and melting the rubber on the plug. It's same brand I had on the boat before. Was very easy to install, 2 wires and 2 screws. Did not come with new screws. The door has changed a little since my old one and it's not very easy to open the lid to plug in. Overall, pretty happy with it. Used it a couple times now since installing and works well.